Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hey folks. So I hope you guys are all safe today. Today is now around, let's say about 6:05. No, about 6:15. Um a few days ago we got word that we have 2 confirmed cases in the BVI, and I knew somehow that we will have a lockdown here in the BVI. Prior to that, businesses on Monday 23rd, businesses were asked to conduct their businesses between 6 a.m. and 8 p.m. Right? So the grocery stores are basically open around that time, earlier than usual. Excuse the noise. I'm trying to do a vlog here. I want you to see I'm at the grocery store here because curfew will be implemented from today 8 p.m. tonight until April the 2nd, right, because of the 2 confirmed cases that we have. So of course people started to panic by yesterday. I went to the grocery store. I tried to, but there was so many cars there that I didn't bother to go inside. So I said I'll come to a different area now, and people are lining up here because the store is opening at 6:30. So I think I might go back to the store in my area. Let me show you what it looks like. It's crazy. Well, it's not that crazy right now, but people are lining up outside, and I'm seeing a bit of social distancing, so stay tuned. Yeah, so this is my grocery store in Passy called Right Way Food Markets. Right, there are a handful of people, not that many, but it's not normal for us here in the BVI. And there are also people lining up here in the wholesale section. Let me get a little peep for you to see. Okay, so the line is much longer than I thought. The people who I thought were in the wholesale section, they are actually going into waiting to go into the retail section. So I think I'll head back to my area. There's a grocery store, the same company, right, in my area. It should be less people, I'm hoping. So I'm going to head back up there now. See you there. It's so awesome to see a sunrise. It's really awesome. A great day to start the day. Isn't that magnificent? Just hear the sound of the waves. Alright, on to the grocery store I go. See you later. So I'm here back at Eastern branch. It's now after 6:30 and it's not even open as yet. They're supposed to open 6:30 a.m. and I was here first thing this morning, because I was here for 6 o'clock, and if I had stayed I would have been the first person in line, but I'm back here and it's not as many people as at the other branch, so I'm going to put myself in place to get over this process. So I'm done getting my stuff at the grocery store. Well, only a certain amount of people are allowed in, so it took me longer than I thought. There was one guy standing behind me, quite annoying, and apparently doesn't know about social distancing. And as I tried to make space between myself and him, he kept coming up behind me, quite annoying. Anyway, that part is over. I was hoping to get stuff like like carrot, pumpkin, and so I could cut up and freeze, and even some lemons and stuff, but there was nothing there. All the bread was sold out, as you could see, and I couldn't get flour either because I have planned to make, I make my own bread and stuff, so there was no flour. Maybe I'll try another store in town, maybe, I don't know. I don't have much time. Alright, later. I'm gonna get some bread now at the bakery. Okay guys, so I'm back home. And just my final thoughts. I saw a post on Facebook. Somebody was saying that they're wondering what's the sense of people going and panic buying. It's a little ridiculous, yes, but when you study that you're basically in your area, maybe you're on lockdown, or maybe like for us, we're on curfew, we're not allowed to come out, people won't be working, things like that, or places are closed, you'll try and get as much items that you can, so in that time frame while you are on curfew hours, you could get your stuff that you need to have, to eat, and maybe toiletries, things like that, so understandable. But of course, within reason, like when I was in the grocery store, of course, you'll have a tendency to like walk around, browse around and stuff, but I had to keep in mind that there were people outside waiting their turn. So I just picked up my few items quickly and get out of there so somebody else will get their turn to come in, that sort of thing. So yeah, I just want to share it with you today. And I hope all you guys, I pray that all you guys are safe, keep safe, and everything is well with you guys. I love you all. I appreciate you supporting me, supporting my channel, right? And for watching this video today. And of course, I should be able to do videos at home while I'm home, do a little cooking and stuff. I got some coconut oils. I'll be revising some of my recipes where to make them, my bread recipes actually, to make them more vegan, pleasant and stuff, 'cause a lot of my viewers, they are vegans. Now, I am not a vegan, but I will enjoy the meal as long as it's tasting good. I will enjoy the meal. I'm doing this video and I forgot that I have to think about the breeze. Anyway, yes, I'm not a vegan, but I do enjoy the meals. And but of course, I like my meat pigtail, and I like things like that. I'll eat my chicken and pork. I'll eat things like that, but on a regular basis. I love goat, but I don't eat these meats very regular, occasionally, that sort of thing. But again, I do enjoy a vegan meal as long as it's prepared nice and attractive looking and it tastes well, so yeah. And of course, at a reach a certain age, you have to try and watch what you're eating and be very careful and mindful. Now with this thing, I'm drinking a lot of lemon water, but I'm ranting a bit. I noticed with the lemon water, my teeth started to be a bit sensitive, so I may have to not drink it as regular, maybe every other day or something like that. It was recommended as good to boost the system.